I'm Heidi Hewitt here with Guillermo Melantoni. Guillermo, we've been talking about visualization, various tools and applications available at Autodesk. How does Showcase fit into that visualization model or that workflow?
So I see Showcase as a perfect tool for what I call design validation, which is not making the final render, it's not making an animation, but basically taking your model into an environment in which it can be represented in a realistic way. For example, let's say that I make a model in AutoCAD, but then I want to take it into Showcase. Why? Because I can leverage their materials and their techniques for illuminating those materials. For example, let's say that I made a whole model for an atrium, for example, I take the photographs of that place. I take everything, the model and the photographs, into Showcase, and I can take advantage of the image-based lighting happening in Showcase. So your model receives the actual light of the place based on the photograph. So that is a great way for your customer, or even for your peers at a design firm, to understand what you're doing. It's not just about putting some lights there. It's about generating a whole experience of that we always say that experience it before it's real. It's perfect for Showcase, and that is exactly what we call design validation. And it's also a very good tool for making a presentation. So you can get shots of different shots of the model, or some very small animations, and get that into a timeline. So if you want to make a presentation to a customer, you can just play that as it was a presentation, using your model and making any changes that you want in real time, because it's not a render, it's just a very realistic representation of your objects with the real illumination in real time.
Great, so really just testing out and trying the different effects and options that are available, kind of design on demand.
Yeah, and in the past that was pretty much for big firms, automotive, those kind of guys. But now that is so democratized that anybody can just grab anything from AutoCAD or from any other Autodesk application, take it into Showcase, and experience it before it's real.
And no specific industry then? It could be architectural or manufacturing?
Whatever.
Great.
Anyone that wants to, again, to show a very compelling design to the customers.
Great. Thanks, Guillermo.